chambers, rooms.
Yes.
So, which one?
357. Oui, Marie, toutes les chambres que tu peux donner, je peux encore y aller ou pas? Ok, bon, je vais voir alors. Ok, bon. Super, bon bah c'est bon. D'accord. Ok, très bien, c'est noté. Merci à toutes. Marie. Ok, all good, we can go. Because sometimes we can have some room change or last minute reservations. So there are 410 rooms at the hotel, so it's a big hotel. We are the biggest hotel in Cannes.
400.
7th floor, so it's a lot. And 17 categories.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
So we will go to the Deluxe room Oasis view. It's one of our entry-level category. And I just drink.
357. So very light.
Very light, very clean also, just facing the Oasis garden. It's more blue and yellow, more like yellow, beige tones, white. It's also communicating rooms, so you can connect it to another deluxe room. And you can see the white verandas just there, just front of us. This is the Oasis Suite and Oasis Suite Terrace, the new categories that we have created last year. So that's a good view.
Forest view, park view.
Yeah.
So where is the restroom?
And the bathroom is here. Voilà.
So you have your own perfume?
There is no special fragrance at the hotel. No.
But this is...
I wish this is our amenities with the logo of the hotel. We just changed it. It's like 2 months ago.
But what is inside?
It's like a local fragrance. It's exclusive collection from, I think it's from Grasse.
Ah, Grasse.
Yeah. La Beauté.
Same like...
Ah no, it's made in Italy. It's from Italy, but before it was Fragonard, but not anymore. Because we want to keep it, we don't want to use plastic anymore, so that's why we have changed everything.
But if you have carried spa, why you not used carried?
For the penthouse only.
Only.
Yeah, because it's too expensive creams and cosmetic. Yeah. But for sure, for the penthouse, we have a special amenities in the bathrooms with all the Carita cosmetics. A nice selection.